in Karnataka. The renaming of the sports complex that has now garnered a lot of controversy that we are looking at, as there is tensions in Tumkuru over the certain renaming of this indoor stadium that has been reportedly renamed, as the BJP has been holding protests, and they have been claiming that the sports complex has now been named after Parameshwara, and also now saying that this sports complex is being renamed and the name of Mahatma Gandhi, that is something that has now been removed and that has been replaced. And this is now, as far as the allegation that has been leveled there, you can see as far as the tensions there on the ground as the police were called in to maintain law and order. There was a slight altercation that was also reported, and the claim that has now been made on part of the BJP that Mahatma Gandhi's name is being removed only to be replaced by the state Home Minister's name.
Not Mahatma Gandhi Stadium. I repeat, it is not Mahatma Gandhi Stadium. It is outside the Mahatma Gandhi Stadium. There is a indoor games, there is a kind of a shed which they have created, and that they wanted to name it after Parameshwar. And, come to think of it, I have also contributed to sports in Tumkur. Or, but that doesn't mean that I am trying to push that. No. The sports person in September, they have given a letter, and accordingly they have taken some decision.
Well, the state Home Minister's opinion is that it is not that he is pitching for himself, but he is outrightly not denying, saying that he's also made enough contribution when it comes to the field of sports. So there isn't any problem as far as the name of Mahatma Gandhi is not being removed. The indoor complex, Neha, that remains the same. But there is in that vicinity that we're talking of this complex. What is it all about then, as far as how different it is now being seen on the state Home Minister's point of view, with the BJP now saying that Mahatma Gandhi's name has been insulted?
Well, Amita, let's put this in context now for our viewers here who are joining us, who aren't from the state of Karnataka or who haven't in fact seen the stadium. What we know is that the stadium was always called the MG Stadium or the Mahatma Gandhi Stadium. Now, while there are two structures here, the outdoor structure and the indoor structure. The outdoor structure essentially always had the name of Mahatma Gandhi attached to it, whereas the indoor stadium, as per what the district administration claims, the indoor stadium never really had any attachment of any name to it. But now, with Dr. G. Parameshwara's name here being attached to the indoor stadium, it's obviously raked up a massive controversy. The BJP calling out the Congress government over here, claiming that this is hypocrisy, that at a time when they contest and when they protest about Manrega, about Mahatma Gandhi's, in fact, name being wiped out from Manrega, for them to do the same thing in Tumkur district of Karnataka, and even so much as compare Dr. G. Parameshwara with Mahatma Gandhi, the BJP says, in fact, is nothing but a big insult to the father of the nation. Of course, what really remains to be seen right now,
he is abiding by the people's will there if they want to rename the complex as far as to his name, and he is something that says that doesn't want to deny them of that wish, however saying that the name of Mahatma Gandhi from that sports complex has not been removed. All right, we'll get you more on that. Thank you, Neha, for putting that in context for our viewers. In the meantime, we head into a short break.